50 stars represent every single state. Standing together, man, that's what makes us great. Through the struggles and the fights we've seen, living out that American dream. Democracy flowing through our veins, breaking those chains, no more restraints. United voices, one nation strong. This is our country, this is our song. Wave that flag high, let it fly in the sky. Land of the brave where the eagles cry. From the mountains to the plains so wide, this is our home, this is our pride. Wave that flag high, wave that flag high. That is our pride. Red, white, blue forever true. Red, white, blue forever true. Red, white, blue forever true. Yeah, 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 yeah.
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my family by my side, I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and you can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died and who gave that right to me. I'll gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Listen, listen.
Living in America,
Heading across the nation.
living in America.
Got to have a celebration.
Living in America.
Wait a minute. New Orleans, Detroit City, Dallas, Pittsburgh, PA, New York City,
Well, if you ask me where I come from, here's what I tell everyone. I was born by God's dear grace in an extraordinary place where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. There's a lady that stands in a harbor for what we believe, and there's a bell that still echoes the price that it costs to be free. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly.
Come from the cities and they come from the smaller towns, and beat up cars with guitars and drummers go crack, boom, bam. R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA, yeah, yeah. Rockin' in the USA. But I said goodbye to the family, said goodbye to the friends, with the pop names in their heads and very little money in their hands. Some are black and some are white, and they ain't too proud to sleep on the floor tonight. The blind faith in Jesus, you know that they just might. Rockin' in the USA. Hey! R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA, R-O-C-K in the USA. We bend, but we don't break.
Built on the chances
We dare to take. From Miller's Island hope to a silicone dream,
still chasing tomorrow.
across this land we've seen